everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank. And so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
Alright, so let's talk about what is affiliate marketing and how you can get started as a beginner. You can do affiliate marketing and make a full-time income in 4 easy steps. Let's go. So what is affiliate marketing? It's essentially promoting somebody else's product or service, and because you are essentially an independent marketer for them, you get a cut of the sale whenever that product or service is sold. Affiliate marketing is happening all the time, but you just might not realize it. Let's check these out.
Good everyone, I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Over the years in affiliate marketing, I've struggled with getting traffic to my website and getting sales that I want. But most of the method I try, which are free traffic system, Facebook ads, solo ads, freelancing, they don't give me my desired results. So through my struggle also, I was a computer engineering student when I was in college, so I learned to develop software, and due to my struggle in affiliate marketing, I've developed a affiliate traffic generating software which I've been using for a while and has been giving me excellent results. Yes, like the one you can see on the screen, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine on affiliate marketing. One of the things that I noticed that prevents people from earning big and making it on digital platform is their readiness. People are not really ready to learn and to make changes, and that is the difference between me and most people, because when I see opportunity, I take it and I work on my tasks, because to generate the software, it really took me a long time and real dedication, because to get this kind of software it's not free online, it's not common. I've even before I developed the software, I purchased some softwares from vendors online, but many of them did not still give me my desired result. But since I've been using my software, it has been giving me excellent result like the one you can see on the screen. And my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo and the likes. So the software is up for sale now to serious people that want to join the clique of the smart ones. I want to become a student in affiliate marketing, because I'm still going to create a bigger platform for affiliate marketers around the world. There's our students around the world who are getting my software and are doing fine like the one you can see on the screen. So to get my software and video course today and join the clique of the smart ones that are making edge in affiliate marketing, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to join the clique of the smart ones and my students that are making edge in affiliate marketing. Also, I manage accounts for my students. Also, if you are getting my software and video course, I manage accounts for my students. And many people have been asking me that what's the benefit or difference in me managing your accounts and you doing it yourself, because my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software and also teach you some hidden techniques and secrets by which you can get big sales and become a successful affiliate marketer. There's no secret, there's no special thing in me managing your account. It's just that I'm going to do the work you ought to do. So to get my software and video course, remember you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to join the clique of the smart ones and get my software and video course today to start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.